Kitchener stitch out to close the tube. First you take your tube with your waste yarn and you make sure that you take to make the tail here, and you start in the opposite way with your hook and grab one in the middle and one on the side. One on the side, bring it to the middle. So you close your rope like this. The hook I use is a 4, a 4.5, or a 5, or a 5.5. Whatever you're comfortable with, or what is on your workplace station. Woof. So you see the waste yarn is dark, so that way I see my stitch correctly. So when I arrive at the end, I make sure that I don't miss any stitch to prevent drop stitch. So I make sure I grab all of it, and you will see why I keep the tail on this side. It's to close the rope. I do it double and then stretch it, and time to remove the waste yarn. To remove the waste yarn, this is the part of the cast on, so usually there's a little bit, not a little bit, a little knot that you have to remove, and then you remove the first row like this. There's always an easy and a hard part of those tubes to remove the waste yarn. This is the hard one because it's the cast on. We did it by hand, so that's why it's harder to remove. But after you remove the first row, you will be able to pull on it and it will remove easy. The cast off is always easier, but I decided to show the cast on because a lot of people struggle with that part. It's normal when you're newbies, don't worry. So I remove the waste yarn, and then I will check for not waste yarn but drop stitch. So voila, ciao ciao, see you next time, and never give up. I do a video a week.